Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a Korean food called Moegitoe. The ingredients I'm going to be using are 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 tomato, and 400 gram minced chicken. I will be seasoning my Moegitoe with black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons mushroom sauce, and 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Now I'm going to show you how to make Moegitoe step by step. Moegitoe is a traditional Korean dish. It is very common in Myanmar and some parts of Thailand. There are lots of ways to prepare Moegitoe, but this is one of my personal variants. Moegitoe is eaten with rice and vegetables. What type of vegetables you use is personal preference, although morning glory or long beans are common. Very delicious Moegitoe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.